It's been right around 8 days since we unwrapped the roll bar. Look what showed up. Hopefully this is not just the harness bar. I really hope our hardware is in here. If not, I don't even know. There's all our grade 8 hardware. Not exactly sure where this goes.
I'ma take a bougie ass to Rodeo and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci Hippo, take her whatever she want. She pissed me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nails, I'm finna nail her ass.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and start ripping the Miata apart. Keep in mind, I got no idea what I'm doing. I'm going off Zerk Fab's video, so, you know, this is gonna be quite a chore. We gotta cut some of the body. I don't trust myself with the grinder, so we gonna have to figure that part out. Well, look at that difference, you know. I think this is definitely gonna save you in a crash, you know. Weighs like a pound. You hear that? It's like completely hollow. Then we got this beefy Sanchez right here weighing in at about pretty heavy. So we're definitely not, we aren't making any weight losses here. We're definitely not going on a diet. The Miata's about to eat some McDonald's. Maybe with a side of some sweet and sour and french fries, you know? Don't be out here trying to break your neck when you roll your Miata because you're trying to do a $130 through a corner. Come on now. Come on. Let's be real here. Went ahead and marked where we're gonna have to make our cuts for where the roll bar is gonna go in. So just bam, bam. So we're gonna go ahead and use our little die grinder and just carefully cut that out real quick. And then it's gonna be interesting because the video, they don't have a glass rear window and this thing doesn't lay down like the plastic ones. So I have a feeling getting this roll bar in might be a bit of a rustle tussle, but we'll get it figured out. God damn, it's bright. Alright, we're running to Harbor Freight and possibly Home Depot. We may have cut a wire on accident, so we need to get that crimped. And then I need to pick up some drill bits to drill through the body of the Miata. Because we gotta put holes in the body to put this roll bar in, so yeah. Get that first reaction of what it looks like. Wow. I know. It's not bolted in, I wouldn't do that. Yeah, I just set it in there.
It's not gonna save you if you crash.
Not yet. Dude, guess how much the bits cost? $70 for the bits I needed.
Damn.
For real.
It's like one of those things, you're like, oh, the roll bar is only this much, but then you need this, and you need this.
Okay, read through?
Yeah.
Dialed.
Okay, try it now.
Okay.
It's not the prettiest under here, but...
Yep. Fuck yeah. Sweet. And then all we have to do is drill that other hole. And you just go straight through that one.
Okay.
Because it's fully adjustable on the top half. Okay. Okay, we're through. What do you guys say about the Milwaukee drill bits, dude? Are you disappointed?
A little bit.
I'm very disappointed, dude. Come on, Milwaukee. What are we doing here, boys? Golly. Guys, this was an absolute battle. I started at 9 a.m. It's 8 p.m. What is that? Like 11 hours, dude? 11 hours on this roll bar. But, ooh, it looks so clean, guys. I almost can't even enjoy it, though, because I'm just so beat. Let's hit you with them clips, bro. Let's get it.
Hey, driving through the liquor store, faded, braided, hands in this motherfucker waving, AZ, 80s like the 90s and 2000s. Driving through this motherfucker wildin', hey, Brady 7-pack, they come in bunch. I've been with
Holy
the
shit, guys. Look at how beautiful it is. This is wild. We never get this. Dude, I was just out mobbing the Miata. This thing cooks, bro. Look at the roll bar. Isn't it beautiful? Come on, you can't even tell me that shit is not sick, dude. Look at that booty shot. Look at that booty shot, boys. Does a booty get much better than that? I know, fitment is garbage. Oh my god, it's a monster truck with TEs. Ugh, I fucking know. We got coilovers on the way. Don't even sweat it. The money maker right here. I left the door open. That's standard. Anyways, so gotta mount that arm. Here's the other half of the reel. But I'm thinking we do it right there. Dude, you guys haven't seen my new Milwaukee feel, dude. This thing is insane. This 1/2-inch impact and my impact socket set, dude. No more tripping on impact socket sets. Don't trip though. You already know I'm still gonna be using them chrome sockets. So much more convenient. Let's try this shit again. Okay. Take that big ugga dugga. And we go ham. It'll go on. Sick. No way. Hangs out a little bit, but you know, it's not that bad. It's gonna be very annoying. I can already tell. Yep, that's how my dog feels about the Miata, guys. It's a big old hunk of shit. Out of anywhere she could have pooped, she chose right in front of the Miata. I mean, I think we all know why. It's a Miata. That's why. Guys. Look at my little rice box. I have like such a love-hate with this car. Like, it looks good, but at the same time it looks like shit because it's an indie Miata. I don't know. It needs a lot to make it look cool, I think. We're far from looking cool. Number one, this fucking ride height is absolutely horrid. Dude, the Miata always be looking spiffy. Wait till you get this thing lower, dude. It's gonna be so dialed. Oh, yeah. We gotta figure out where we're gonna mount you guys. Oh, let's go have some fun, folks. See what these TE37s and sticky tires can put down around our race course, huh? I've come to the conclusion, guys, that Washington is very bipolar. It was snowing 10 minutes ago. Now it's like this. What? Shit makes no sense. But I've also come to the conclusion that even though the Miata gives me ugly vibes, like a lot, I love it. Like, my BMW does not handle like this thing. I don't know, maybe it's the weight of the BMW. It also has a lot more power. Look, it's starting to rain. What the fuck? I love Miatas. This is probably my favorite car I've ever driven, honestly. And you guys need Miatas. Let's keep it real here. Let's up the value of Miatas. I'm thinking, like, you know, here in the next year they're worth about 20K. So everyone just go spam Facebook Marketplace for a Miata, get those prices up. And then it'll become like a cool car again. And like, it'll be there, like right there with the GTRs and stuff, you know? So, yeah. Stay tuned for the next video because we just spent a shit ton of money on another mod for this thing. Let's just get one more good look at that Miata. Still ugly.